This video is about the fundamental process of sales. What you're going to walk away from this session with is an understanding of what that fundamental process is and why it's so important, specifically related to prospecting. So the fundamental process of sales was back in 1898. A guy by the name of St. Elmo Lewis came up with it. And he said that there are four fundamental stages we need to go through in order to buy something. And it's attention, interest, desire, action. It was actually highlighted in Glengarry Glen Ross. And again, AIDA. And think about it, we have about 5 to 15 seconds to get someone's attention, 2 minutes to earn their interest, and then we can kind of set up a meeting where we can create the desire and move them to action. The problem is, in prospecting, we tend to forget that sales is a process, not an event. We all agree to that, but the problem is when we get on the phone and maybe somebody picks up the phone we might not have expected, we end up throwing up all over them and telling them all the wonderful things about our solutions. And in that moment, we treated sales as an event, not a process. It's the same thing with our emails. When we send out emails with links and attachments and all sorts of wonderful value propositions, that is treating sales as an event, not a process. So if we think of AIDA, 5 to 15 seconds to get someone's attention, 2 minutes to earn their interest, that's really what prospecting is all about. Prospecting is not about selling. Well, it's not about selling your solutions, your company, or yourself. It's about selling the next step. It's about selling time. So think about what to say in 5 to 15 seconds that will get someone's attention and earn the interest phase. So they'll say, hey, how do you do that? And then you tell them a little bit more. And then once you got them on the hook and they're interested, then really take a step back. And your goal is to schedule a qualification call, ideally defined amount of time on somebody's calendar so you can prepare for it more effectively. So again, AIDA, prospecting is not about selling your companies, it's about selling time, it's about selling the next step. Ideally, you can sell 15 minutes and get it locked in on the calendar. So to summarize, don't sell. Focus on attention and interest when you're prospecting and try and sell the next step. Try and sell 15 minutes. Good luck and happy selling.